As the number of cases in India have soared past 1,000 with 29 deaths, the Health Ministry said today that there is no community transmission, only local transmission of COVID-19 in India so far. While the Home Secretary has asked states and union territories to direct respective authorities to ensure food shelter for stranded workers. A group of 175 people from Delhi's Nizamuddin area are being tested for coronavirus in different hospitals amid worries that they may have been exposed to the infection at a gathering in a mosque that featured visitors from Malaysia, Indonesia, Saudi Arabia and Kyrgyzstan. 2,000 quarantined. This is the largest single group being tested at the same time over suspicion of highly contagious COVID-19. The first of the 3-week lockdown across the country has improved the air quality beyond recognition, but going out for morning walks is strictly prohibited. The Delhi police has said that it will post its personnel in various parks across the city to take action against walkers and joggers as they are violating the lockdown by being out of doors. Chief Justice of India S.A. Bobde said today that the fear and panic over coronavirus pandemic is bigger than the virus itself. The Supreme Court heard 2 petitions seeking relief for thousands of migrant workers who are making a move in large numbers back to their native villages amid the 21-day lockdown. The CJI told the petitioners that many suggestions in their prayers were already being worked upon by the centre. The top court sought a status report by the government by tomorrow. The election strategist Prashant Kishore took to Twitter and posted a video that shows migrant labourers locked up and begging for help in Bihar, where they have arrived in large numbers to return to their native places amid the 21-day lockdown. Highlighting the inefficiencies of the Chief Minister Nitish Kumar-led government, he said that the video was taken at a place that is supposed to be the arrangement for social distancing and quarantine of labourers by the Bihar government. As China limps back to normalcy after reeling under the coronavirus outbreak that began in the Chinese city of Wuhan in December last year, now a growing number of imported COVID-19 cases risk a second wave of infections when the domestic spread has been completely stopped. China has reported an accumulated total of 693 cases entering from overseas. Chinese officials say it is not a time when we can say everything is going well. Most of these imported cases have involved Chinese returning home from abroad.